Anti-surveillance reflective privacy sunglasses. Feel like cameras are always watching? Stay one step ahead with anti-surveillance reflective privacy sunglasses by Sune. These high-tech glasses are designed to protect your privacy by making it harder for cameras to capture a clear image of your face. Thanks to their reflective lenses, they disrupt facial recognition software, keeping your identity safe from prying eyes. But these glasses aren't just about privacy. They also offer excellent UV protection, shielding your eyes from harmful sun rays. Whether you're strolling through a city like London with its 630,000 surveillance cameras, Axis, what if you could control a game with your whole body instead of a joystick? That's exactly what Axis lets you do. This futuristic device transforms you into the controller, making gaming more interactive and exciting. Axis comes with special sensors that attach to your head, arms, and legs. These sensors track your movements and transfer them directly to the game. So instead of just pressing buttons, you actually move and your in-game character moves with you. It's like stepping inside the game itself. This cutting-edge gadget is still new, but it's already changing the way people experience gaming. Instead of sitting for hours, you can stay active while playing your favorite games, making it a fun way to get moving. Whether you're dodging obstacles, throwing punches, or jumping to avoid an attack, Axis makes everything feel real. For gamers who want something fresh and exciting, Axis is a game changer, literally. Black Rhino Blowgun. If you're into dart target shooting or want to try something new, the Black Rhino Blowgun is a great pick. It's the only .625 caliber blowgun made in the USA and is crafted using high-precision dies for unmatched accuracy. With a super tight tolerance of just 0.8 millimeters, every shot feels smooth and precise. The set includes 40 darts in 4 varieties, so you can experiment and find what works best for your shooting style. You also get to choose between 2 lengths, 1.2 meters or 1.5 meters, depending on your comfort and experience level. For those looking to take their skills up a notch, there's the Rhino Chaos 2 model, designed with professional hunters in mind. Tired of belts and suspenders? Is a clever new accessory that lets you adjust your pants, skirts, and other clothes at the waist for a perfect fit. It's like a modern, comfortable buckle that works great for both formal and casual outfits. With a simple adjustment of up to 50 millimeters, Buckle helps you avoid saggy pants or tight waistbands. It's sleek, easy to use, and doesn't dig into your stomach like some belts do. Plus, it's available in 4 stylish colors to match your wardrobe. The idea has already caught on, raising over $330,000 on Indiegogo. While it's currently priced at $77, the creators may introduce more designs and budget-friendly options in the future. Whether you're dressing up for a meeting or heading out in your favorite jeans, Buckle keeps your clothes looking sharp and fitted. It's a simple, stylish solution for anyone tired of the usual belt struggle. With electric scooters, bikes, and even unicycles filling the streets, staying safe and visible is more important than ever. That's where ClickLight comes in, an innovative lighting system designed to make riding safer and more convenient. These smart lights don't just brighten up your ride, they act as turn signals, brake lights, and hazard lights. With a simple press of a button, you can signal turns, warn drivers when you're stopping, and activate emergency flashers. This makes it easier for others to see you, reducing the risk of accidents, especially at night or in busy traffic. ClickLight is built to last, offering up to 30 hours of battery life on a single charge. Its 37 bright LEDs are powerful enough to keep you visible, even in foggy or low-light conditions. The kit comes with everything you need, including a remote control holder for easy use. For $128, this gadget is a must-have for cyclists, motorcyclists, and anyone using electric rides. Click Chair. Tired of clunky, uncomfortable chairs? Chair is the perfect fix. This ultra-portable seat weighs only 1.6 kilograms, but can hold up to 136 kilograms, strong enough for just about anyone. It's designed to unfold in seconds and packs down to the size of a water bottle, making it incredibly easy to carry in your backpack or bag. Whether you're heading to a picnic, camping trip, festival, or beach day, ClickChair has your back. Exhaust pipe cover. Want to give your car a stylish upgrade without spending a fortune? This sleek exhaust pipe cover is the perfect way to add a sporty and eye-catching touch, all for just $30. Made from high-quality steel and carbon fiber, this cover not only looks great, but is also built to last. Its smooth matte finish adds a premium feel to any car, making it stand out on the road. Whether you're looking to enhance your vehicle's look or just want a cool detail that grabs attention, this is a simple yet effective upgrade. With over 10 models to choose from, you can easily find the perfect size for your car. The available diameters range from 1.8 to 2.7 inches, ensuring a snug fit for different exhaust pipes. Installation is quick and hassle-free, so you don't need any special tools or professional help. Just attach it and enjoy the new look. If you love cars and enjoy making small but impactful modifications, this exhaust pipe cover is a must-have. Exoheaver Exoskeleton. The Exoheaver is a powerful exoskeleton designed to make heavy lifting easier and safer. It can lift up to 60 kilograms, reducing strain on workers and lowering the risk of injury. This makes it ideal for jobs in mines, construction sites, and other tight spaces where traditional equipment can't reach. For even tougher tasks, the premium Enforcer version can lift up to 80 kilograms. It's equipped with explosion-proof motors and a smart onboard computer that tracks important safety data like temperature and gas levels. This ensures a safer working environment, especially in hazardous areas. But the Exoheaver isn't just for industrial use. The Rehab 2 model is specially designed for physical therapy and rehabilitation. It helps people regain strength and mobility by supporting movement and assisting with exercises. This model is a valuable tool in healthcare facilities, providing extra support during recovery. Freya Design's Morph Strap. With over 1 billion smartphones sold every year, why not make yours stand out? The Morph Strap is not just a phone accessory, it's a multitasking gadget designed for modern users. This clever strap securely attaches to your phone, but with a quick transformation, it turns into a selfie stick or a tripod. Perfect for vloggers, influencers, and everyday users, it's a must-have for taking photos, recording videos, or even video calls. Despite its versatility, it's incredibly slim, adding just 2 millimeters to your phone's thickness. But that's not all. The Morph Trigger, a tiny remote control, easily clips onto the strap, letting you snap pictures or start recordings hands-free. Whether you're a content creator, a makeup artist, or just someone who loves capturing moments, this gadget makes everything easier. Memory loss can be a serious challenge, especially for people with dementia. Imagine stepping outside and suddenly forgetting how to get back home. That's where this smart tracker comes in. Designed to help people stay safe, this compact device ensures that the person wearing it is always visible on a map. With a global roaming feature that works in 150 countries, there's no need to worry about mobile network setup. It's ready to use for just $9 per month. The tracker itself costs $140 and weighs only 74 grams, making it light enough to carry in a pocket or wear around the neck without discomfort. But it's not just for people with dementia. This handy device is also great for keeping track of kids while traveling, securing valuable luggage, or even ensuring that a pet doesn't wander too far. Whether for safety or convenience, this tracker provides peace of mind, knowing that the things and people you care about most are always within reach. Honshu Boshin Wakizashi Sword. Step into the world of the samurai with the Honshu Bon Wakizashi. Traditionally paired with a katana, the wakizashi was the go-to sidearm for close combat. But even on its own, this sleek sword is a powerful weapon that commands attention. Its 57-centimeter blade is crafted from Handheld 60 steel, known for its incredible strength and durability. In fact, the same steel is tough enough to make train wheels. Whether you're a collector or just appreciate well-made weaponry, this sword is built to last. The handle is designed with thermoplastic rubber, providing a comfortable, secure grip. That means better control and easier handling, whether you're practicing or displaying it. Pawport. Want a smarter way to let your pet in and out while keeping your home secure? Pawport is the perfect solution. This innovative pet door, designed by an American company, upgrades your existing pet door with modern technology for convenience and safety. Unlike regular pet doors, Pawport only opens when your pet is nearby, thanks to a special collar tag. It works just like an automatic supermarket door, When your pet approaches, it unlocks, and when they leave, it stays securely closed to keep unwanted guests out. Security is a top priority with Pawport. If someone tries to enter through the pet door, you'll get an instant alert on your phone. Plus, the mobile app gives you full control. You can set schedules, limit access, and even adjust the range for when the door should open. Installation is quick and easy, and once set up, it makes life so much more convenient for both you and your pet. Rheinmetall Mission Master CXT. The Rheinmetall Mission Master CXT is a powerful robotic system designed to take down drones. Unlike traditional laser systems, this one comes equipped with two Dillon M134D miniguns that can fire a massive 6,000 rounds per minute. That's some serious firepower. But this machine isn't just about shooting. It works perfectly day and night and can perform multiple tasks. It's tough and can carry up to a ton of cargo, making it super useful for transporting supplies in tough environments. One of its coolest features is its advanced detection system. It can spot small drones from 5 kilometers away and even detect large aircraft from 50 kilometers. That means it keeps an eye on the skies to stop threats before they get too close. Whether it's guarding important locations or supporting troops in the field, the Mission Master CXT is built to handle the job. Rootco Gravity Mag Reel. This innovative Japanese-designed carabiner is more than just a clip. Built for hikers, fishermen, and construction workers, it offers a retractable cord that extends up to 85 centimeters, making tools and gadgets easily accessible. Despite its compact size, it can hold up to 3.4 kilograms, ensuring durability and reliability. Its 360-degree rotating latch adds extra convenience, making it adaptable for various situations. Plus, the built-in magnetic lock keeps your items secure while you're on the go. Whether you're tackling the outdoors or working on site, this tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use. With a sleek design, strong build, and an affordable price of just $40, it's a must-have for anyone who values practicality and accessibility in their gear. RST Gambi. At the 2021 Minsk International Exhibition of Arms and Military Machinery, the Gambi robot from Turkey grabbed attention. Designed to locate and safely disable explosives, it's an essential tool for clearing dangerous areas after conflicts. This issue is so important that it has been discussed at the UN. What makes Gambi special is its lightweight design. It's compact enough for 2 people to carry, yet powerful enough to tackle rough terrains. It can climb 26-degree slopes and cross trenches up to 40 centimeters wide. Plus, it offers 2 hours of continuous operation, making it a reliable choice for delicate missions. Built for safety and efficiency, Gambi helps bomb disposal teams work from a safer distance. Its design ensures quick deployment in critical situations, reducing the risk to human lives. Robots like Gambi are making mine clearance faster and safer, providing hope for communities affected by conflict.